Dr. Deuk here with one of my patients. Now, you didn't travel too far. You're a Florida guy, right?
Yep, about an hour away.
And why did you travel to Deuk Spine Institute? What brought you here?
I was having a lot of pain in my back, probably for about 8 years. I did a lot of research. I was tired of getting talked into just doing physical therapy, and it wasn't working. I tried chiropractic, that didn't work either. I kept researching on the internet, YouTube, for getting relief. And then I happened to come across Deuk Spine Institute, and it got me so interested on his procedures. The techniques are really awesome. They're just a godsend, this whole institute. They're amazing. I got my surgery done yesterday, and I walked out with 0 pain. Incredible. It is amazing the new technology they out there. And I would advise anybody to get a free MRI review. It doesn't cost anything, and he'll give you his perfect, honest opinion. It's just amazing, you know. And it's not a sales pitch. They're not trying to push anything. They're trying to get the information out there on the new technology, and it is so, I guess, invasive. It's crazy.
1/4-inch incision.
Yep.
Your surgery was done with the laser on your lower back. We found a tear that was causing all your pain, and we cleaned it out. And the whole surgery took us 30 minutes, and
exactly.
You were out of here within an hour. So here you are 1 day later. You got a smile on your face.
Oh yeah, very much.
Now you're an engineer by trade. And how did you kind of think about the Deuk laser disc repair from an engineering standpoint?
It's amazing technology, because I did research other ways of fixing the issue, and it was barbaric to me. So then when I saw this, and I saw the thousands of people out there that had all this done, probably more than that, the years of experience he has, I just felt so comfortable with the technology. And it's just amazing. The technology was so easy to do.
Well, we could have done a fusion too, and that would have caused more problems for you down the road. Scar tissue, muscle damage. Of course, with fusions, you're on pain pills for a month. Are you on any pain medication today?
Nothing at all.
So you had surgery yesterday, you didn't take any pain meds, and you have 0 pain in your back and leg.
Exactly.
Well, congratulations.
Yep.
Is there
Perfect.
anything you want to say to your fans out there?
If you have any problems with your back, you need to come here. His whole staff is amazing. From walking into the front desk, the nurses, the techs, all the doctors, and Dr. Deuk is just amazing. And Henry. We have another
Don't forget
Henry.
about Henry. We like Henry's
Yes.
here.
These people are incredible. They treat you with professionalism, and they exactly know what to do. They're just really cool people.
Well, you're welcome.
Thank you so much.
And you're the reason why I do what I do, because I could have retired years ago, but I love helping people like you get your lives back, and your wife.
Thank you. Yeah,
So,
she's happy.
congratulations.
Now I can get back to the honeydew list.
Oh yeah, not too soon.